Tony Majorana, owner and president of Jetco Machine Fabrication in Clarkston, Washington. We'd like to give you a tour today of our facility where we design, fabricate, and machine raw metal into finished products. At the beginning of every project, the requirements of project management, quality control, design, and drafting are all critical components. In this office is where that process begins. Here at the Jetco production office, we use ProShop ERP software to manage our projects and maintain strict quality control. Backed by our AS9100D and ISO 9001-2015 certification, combined with our design and drafting capabilities in SolidWorks, it allows us to handle every project with precision from start to finish. So the beginning of the manufacturing process is material processing. That all begins in this area, and it'll continue into the main shop. Follow me this direction. So this area right here is our welding and fabrication shop. This is where we turn the processed goods, whether it be steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, into finished goods. Down on this end of the shop, we've got a finished unit, stainless steel fish transportation tank. Here you can see we turn the finished products, we rig them, finish them, test them, all the way to completion to customer specifications. Welcome to our machine shop where we have several services to offer. If you look over on this side, we've got a full 4-axis horizontal boring mill that's CNC capable. Over here we've got a 6-foot diameter vertical lathe. Over the top of everything we've got a 10-ton bridge crane to move these heavy parts around. If you follow me this direction, we've got a manual machining department that we do repair, prototype, and manufacture of some newer one-off parts. If you continue this direction up in the air, we've got another 5-ton bridge crane to serve our north side of our shop. And right over here above me, we have a parts department that we carry an inventory for some of our customers for an on-time delivery. This is our paint department, where we provide industrial coating services to improve efficiency, boost productivity, and control costs in our products. We also offer these coatings to other manufacturers. Our facility features a 40-foot fast cure paint booth and sandblasting, all to deliver professional, high-quality finishes. Thank you for taking this tour with us. Here at Jetco, we are committed to excellence in our processes, our people, and our services. If we can do anything to help you, please reach out.